cinnamon rolls in the oven, and I'm trying to decide if I want to shape them into Christmas trees, or if I just want to take the cinnamon rolls and make them, you know, into the shape of a Christmas tree and leave them round. Which one do we want to do? I think the kids like the Christmas trees better. So these are the ones from Aldi. We'll just unroll them. So this is the middle little part right there.
Folks, you'll be surprised
what you can do with cinnamon.
What you can do with the cinnamon roll. I mean, you can make an earring out of that thing if you wanted to.
No, you just go back and forth like that until you get, you know, a Christmas tree.
Now, what you could do if you was wanting to do earrings is bake it, decorate it, and then put you a Christmas hook on the end of that thing, pin it to your ears, and walk around with 2 cinnamon rolls. You talking about being... You talking about people talking it up about you will have all the attention in the room. You could be the talk of the Christmas party.
Yeah.
Use frosting for makeup, you know what I'm saying? I mean, look, if you want red lipstick, do red lipstick.
Everybody'd run from you if they saw you under the mistletoe. That was one of a long trunk. Sometimes they don't have trunks. I'm giving them trunks this year. A little something different. Okay, they're going in the oven. We'll make some bacon. They're snow-covered Christmas trees.
Decorate. I got M&M sprinkles.
Okay, what kind of sprinkles?
Red and white.
Oh yeah, I think that'd be good, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got
Let's don't get too blingy with these earrings.
we got
You know what I'm saying?
With some green.
I don't want people to get too excited when they go to their Christmas party. I don't know if that turned out exactly like I had imagined.
Yeah, that'll be fine. It's okay if the sprinkles fall on the side, y'all.
It's character.
Right, that's character. And it just looks good. You know, on them food shows, they'll just be throwing stuff everywhere. Right, just like that. And then put a little M&M at the top, see? Oh, you doing ornaments.
I'm doing ornaments, folks.
Now, I had to frost them real quick because Tyler wanted one before he left, and my frosting's already starting to dry up on us. The other kids are still asleep. That's why we're doing the decorating.
I want to go red, green. That's a good one right there. I like that one, y'all.
Yeah, I like that one too. You did good on that one. There you go.
There it is, y'all. I don't know for sure that this would actually be registered as jewelry. You'd be sitting at the Christmas party, then eat all your food and take your earrings off for dessert. And a bracelet.
Yeah. Y'all, it's early.
You got a bracelet. You got a bracelet out of the nerd rope.
Nerd ropes.
The nerd rope.
Alright, I got the kitchen cleaned up from breakfast. I need to switch out laundry. I already started a load this morning. Actually, I don't have anything in the dryer. I can just put them, don't you love when that happens? It's like a nice little surprise. I'm looking through the Jolly Holidays Gooseberry Patch book. It's a cookbook, but there's also crafts and stuff in here too. I love these things. This one has Christmas recipes and crafts and New Year recipes and crafts. I know I saw a few things in here last year that I didn't get to, that I wanted to do. So I'm looking through here to see what those were. Y'all remember last year we made the little thing to go up above the kitchen sink? I'm gonna go out and find some stuff to make another one of those if I have enough ribbon. I don't know if I have enough ribbon. You're about to go to sleep. Yeah, mainly woke up earlier, but then he laid right there and went back to sleep. Oh, we're having broccoli cheddar soup for supper. I think I'm gonna start in the slow cooker here in just a little bit. Me and Sissy definitely wanna go to the holiday market. Where'd she go? Sissy said she knows where a berry bush is. We're gonna see. Hey there. This is the new one Titus is working with. Look how pretty he is. He looks like a Barbie horse. Yeah. Do you want a Christmas wreath down here to decorate the barn? He does. He does. This path leads back through here to the trampoline and then to the chicken coop. I don't see any berries. We found one little thing with 2 berries. Hello. 18 days until Christmas, Miss Turkey. Look how pretty she is. There she goes. gonna go ahead and start this broccoli cheddar soup in the slow cooker. Now for this recipe, you can use frozen broccoli too. Now I'm not gonna cut these up too small because they're gonna be cooking in the slow cooker, you know, and they'll kind of fall apart a little bit while they're cooking. Alright, now we're going to dice up half of an onion. I think I have a half, yes, in here. Chop up real quick. Okay, we're shaking in about half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And some pepper. Now we're going to put in half a block of cream cheese. I'm just going to cut it into a few smaller pieces. We need 2 cups of chicken stock. This is 4 cups, so we're going to put in about half of this carton. A little bit more. I'm just going to leave this out just in case we see that we need to add more later. And we need 1 can of evaporated milk. I already feel like we need a little more of this chicken stock, so we're going to put some more in there. And the last thing we need is 2 tablespoons of flour. Here's 1 and 2. We'll stir that just a little bit, and we're going to put it on low for 4 hours, and in about 2 hours we'll come over here and stir it again so that the cream cheese can start really mixing in everywhere. When it's finished cooking, that's when we'll add the cheddar cheese and some parmesan.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This
Oh, that's a good spot, Manny. I'll put this one right here. That's a good spot for that one. Think so?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, we're back home. We're adding the cheese to the soup. That was 2 cups of shredded cheddar. Then we need about 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of grated parmesan.
How much of this? Let it snow.
All of
let
it.
Snow, let it snow.
That's it. We'll just let this cook for about 5 to 10 more minutes to melt that cheese. We've got a new game tonight. We got this one at Walmart. It's just like the checkers one and the Build the Snowman one and all that. It's in a little tin case. This one is Santa's Little Helpers Race Back to the North Pole. Each player will choose a train, decide who will go first, and play in a clockwise circle.
I want to go first.
Roll the die, read the number you rolled, and move your train forward that amount of spaces. If you land on a space with gifts, you get to roll again. If you land on a watch out space, you must roll again and move your train backwards that amount of spaces. The first player to reach the North Pole wins. Okay.
I picked to be blue.
You want to be blue? Okay. What's your friend? Who are you? A little elf?
Yeah.
Okay. Manly is, who are you? Prancer?
He's a reindeer.
You're a reindeer. I'll be the penguin. Okay, Sissy's turn. 1. We're racing to the North Pole. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh.
Over Sissy.
Oh, I landed on presents. I roll again and I move forward. 2. 1, 2. Uh-oh, Manny. Me and you are on the same spot.
Manly's got the cutest
Oh, no, Manny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got to go back to here.
Mama got
Oh, 1, 2. Oh, I got presents again. 3. Ooh, you might win next roll. Sissy's turn. Right here. This one, that one.
Oh, I gotta win!
If you roll more than a 1, you win. You beat us to the North Pole.